What's up, everybody? This is j.dioramas. Ooh, what a rush. Check it out, y'all. Yo, look at this. Yes. Oh, yeah. New diorama build from the bottom stuff that I didn't finish. This is the only one that I had magnetized left. Everything else got sold off. But this is being rebuilt. It's magnetized. Definitely. It's got that little figure in there just to compensate the color scheme of this diorama. And this little droid as well. This is j.dioramas. Love what I do. Everything is put together, magnetized. Just love it. Hold on for a second. And there it is. The Mandalorian right there. Gonna step forward. More of this dial. This is what I'm working on, y'all. Computer station. Computer station. And there it is. More to work on. j.dioramas. I am out. Peace. More to come. I promise.